Begin this series by sitting inside the fabric and then inverting into a straddle. Take both legs inside the fabric, bend one knee, get the fabric snug behind your knees, then extend your legs and then you want to push down and lead with your pelvis. Slide your elbows and chest out to come into the preparation, that is Dhanurasana. You're going to let go of the fabric and immediately grab it from between your legs and bend your knees. Time for some tips now, everyone. Try to make sure the fabric is mid-thigh so that you have enough range of motion to invert and take your legs up into a straddle. Bend one knee first, reach with your arms and try to grab that fabric where you have bent your knee and do the same thing on the other side. Reach all the way up till your elbows are straightening so you have enough space to extend the legs and go up in one shot. Push your pelvis, you can even arch your back to allow the movement to carry on its motion. Then take your shoulders and elbows outside the fabric. You don't have to open your legs too much, then let go and immediately come into a sitting position. Practice this motion to understand how and where your hands have to go to grab the fabric. Keep imagining the hands going right in between the legs. Thanks for watching, everyone.